Greetings, I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. Gratitude, I send you my gratitude. Peace, I send you my peace. The divine in me greets the divine in you. Before we start today's reading from the Arcturian group, I ask you, or the Arcturians, I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath by inhaling in light through the mouth and then exhaling out darkness or unknowingness through again your mouth. Let's do it together. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. I'll keep on reminding you that please, you did not come here to work for heaven. Instead, you came here to bring heaven on earth because your true reality sits in heaven. That is your higher self. The moment you get into the mirror, the one you see in the mirror, which is your reflection, is your soul, and that soul sits in heaven. So you did not come here to work for heaven, but your dark controllers use the religion to deceive you that you came here to work for heaven or either hell. But your true identity is a sun, which is fire itself. So you cannot burn yourself when your true identity is fire. You came here to bring heaven on earth by discovering the true identity within you. Please wake up into your true identity and do your inner work daily. The reading goes like this. This is the Arcturian. It is our pleasure to join you today to broadcast a message of hope and peace to all who will hear. Within the construct that you exist, given all its facets and limitations of the structure on earth in which you live in, there are certain parameters you must abide by. We desire and wish to assist you to make the most of those, to find a way in which to operate that feels best for you, to aid you in creating the life you have always wanted. For so many of you are elevating in your energetic frequency and growing more rapidly than you have been in the previous incarnations. As this is occurring, your ability to manifest in the reality in which you live has increased. So this is good news and a welcome addition to all that you have been experiencing in human form. For a while, you have always had the ability to create and manifest those things within your reach that were needed. You now have an extended ability and reach to bring in much more, not just those things which is immediate need, but those that are greatly beneficial to the collective. When you have aligned within your own life and to your soul path and purpose with passion, focus, and energy that are tuned to creating for the greatest good, then you gain access to a far greater set of opportunities, for you have found your place in the larger plan, which unlocks certain gifts and abilities that you have. So you begin to operate at a more powerful level within your own life. This is why those who have aligned to their purpose find a greater ease oftentimes in bringing those other gifts forward and experience the motivation and passion and fulfillment that comes with it. It becomes more of a full package, as you say in your world. So this is not about manifesting a house, car, or a new dog in your life. While those things are wonderful and we wish them for all of you, what we would like you to focus on is the ability to affect the larger collective by honoring on your unique purpose. By honoring on your unique purpose. As each one of you finds your voice and your place in bringing your contribution into alignment It allows for an expansion for everyone, even those who don't know. For each time one of you comes into a greater focus with what you intended to come here to do, it makes it easier for the rest to do as well. It is akin for thinking of it like a tipping point. So as the collective shifts, with more individuals aligning themselves, placing their focus and attention on what within them calls them forward to express their soul purpose, then there is a momentum that is generated. It begins to move forward with greater speed. So you are all part of this. And this momentum has the power to gather speed and assist all who are struggling to see their way through this transition, to help them come along. For there is an infectious nature from the joy and the positive energy that is generated by each of you as you move more closely into praying in that realm in which you intended to. It is like experience of getting into the zero when you play a sport or a game, or find a train of thoughts that races along joyfully to its finish and completion. It feels quite effortless, doesn't it, when you experience that flow? That is available to you in larger degrees as you find these places within you to attune, to guide you into that channel of joyful energy. So you might be wondering, what is it that you can do now to assist this process? We have a few suggestions for that. We recommend that each single day you ask yourself, how can I align myself more closely to what I intended to do, to be, and to do here? What would bring me the greatest joy to step into today? What can I let go of what might be hindering my experience of my fullest expression in this body? How does love seek to guide me today? Use one or all or any of these questions to assist you. It is simply by turning to listening inside that is more relevant to experiencing the effortless we have spoken of. In some ways, the currency in which you experience life is far more about attuning to the vibration you're emanating. You think of things often in terms of time, money, and resources, and what is fueling all those things. The inmate frequency inside of the people who are exchanging service, products, and their presence, their focus, and so on. Ask yourself this: what is my frequency supporting today? What is the frequency I'm emanating to others in which I am doing? How can I increase my frequency so that I may give or receive more fully today? This is the true currency of your society. As many of you have said, everything is energy in your day-to-day experience, so please pay attention to it. Enjoy the higher energy that you have attained within you, that you may share with others, that you may fuel your creation with, that you may rise to meet it as it enters into the world around you. There is a greater and greater amount of higher frequency energy entering your solar systems at this time. Open to receive it, whether it is in the quiet meditation or joyful jogging in the sun for you. Invite it in, allow it to penetrate your field, and use it to pray within this realm in which you project yourself into this current moment. We are the Arcturians. Namaste.